Do you like my black skirt? Could you blend in? Nice and purrs. Purry purrs. Did you try to get your tail? Okay. He's watching Sammy. Beautiful. It'll be a really sleek black kitty. Yeah. Look at your tail.
It's got little white hairs on his paw.
Ooh, this could be Binx is up close and personal. That your tail? Do you feel that that's your tail? Getting polite. They're like, we have this toy attached to us.
A Black Panther name would be cute for him. Like T'Challa from the Black Panther.
I didn't get to watch that. I need to watch that still. Oh, it's Binx's turn. It's Binx's turn. You can come later. Purrs.
He's so loud.
And he's just a baby. I wonder if it get louder. These babies. Chin? Like chin scratches? Chin scratches?
And a lot of black cats have hair loss here, which is completely normal. But it's very common with black cats.
It looks like they're not having any hair there. I wonder if they all have thin hair there. It's just more noticeable in a black cat.
But it's completely normal. There's nothing wrong.
He's so sweet. I just want to kiss you. You say hi to everybody.
So pretty.
Pretty boy. Let's see. How chill are you? Are you chill? He's not biting me hard. Look at all that. It's still so pronounced.
Yeah, but significantly less. It's definitely going away.
Up here. It used to be up here. Higher. So cute. Look at his little back. Feet are curled. Baby. I bet if we sat with him for a while, he'd go to sleep. Oh my gosh.
He loves full body rubs.
That's Binx up close and personal.